Hello, welcome to my channel, Art with Jenny. Now here's a layout for my new book. It's about a boy and a cicada. And I used reference photos, also photos that I took with my camera. And I used these photos to create the layouts for my book. They correspond to my story about the boy and the cicada. Throughout this video, you're going to see how I transform it from my reference photos to a painted work of art in Krita. There will be some new videos coming soon, and I'll show you other layouts that I transform from my reference photos to a work of art. Yeah, so just sit back and enjoy watching art. Thanks. Bye.